It's daunting, isn't it? The prospect of putting your home on the market, the endless questions swirling in your mind, what to fix, what not to fix, and will it all be worth it in the end? Well, fear not, because today I'm going to give you the inside scoop on 5 things you absolutely do not need to do when preparing to sell your home. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Welcome aboard. I'm Cessna, your Cape Coral real estate agent, and I have the privilege of helping amazing people buy and sell homes here in the beautiful city of Cape Coral. So whether you're thinking about selling, you're helping a family member sell, or trying to sell your Cape Coral home from outside the state, we have the solution to help make the transition a breeze. I listen to your needs and concerns and design a program that works best for you. I will be your main contact throughout the entire selling process, working directly with you every step of the way. To learn more about the options we have to help you sell your home for top dollar, contact me today. All my information is in the details below, and I can't wait to chat with you. You know, we love to feature some of the best homes available in Cape Coral. And if you'd like to know more about the homes in my videos, like the one right behind me here, go ahead and call or text to learn more today. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Number 1, don't remodel the kitchen and bathroom. So let's cut to the chase. Refrain from diving into full-scale kitchen and bathroom remodels. Sure, those glossy countertops and elegant showers might seem like a surefire way to impress potential buyers, but here's the catch. What you love might not necessarily be their cup of tea. Imagine spending a fortune on pristine white counters and cabinets only for the next owners to prefer trendy shades of gray and vibrant hues. Instead, focus on the simple yet effective upgrades that appeal to a broader audience. A fresh coat of paint in a soothing neutral tone can instantly breathe new life into tired spaces. Swapping out outdated hardware for sleek modern alternatives adds a touch of contemporary charm without breaking the bank. And let's not forget the power of a thorough cleaning. Nothing beats the allure of sparkling, spotless homes. So unless you've been dreaming of those renovations for your own enjoyment during your time in the house, it's best to tread lightly when it comes to major overhauls. Save your resources for enhancements that offer maximum impact with minimal investment. Trust me, your wallet and potential buyers will thank you later. And number 2, don't replace flooring. Let's dive into another crucial aspect of prepping your home for sale, the flooring. While it might be tempting to rip out that old carpet and replace it with sleek tile or trendy luxury vinyl plank, hold off unless you've truly done it for your own enjoyment. Here's the thing, what you love might not align with what potential buyers have in mind. Picture this scenario. You invest in a top-of-the-line marble tile only for the next owners to prefer the warmth of hardwood or the versatility of carpet. However, if your current carpet has seen better days and is beyond redemption, consider a cost-effective solution. Opt for builder-grade carpeting, which may not boast longevity, but certainly offers immediate aesthetic improvement. Plus, here's a pro tip. Carpet makes for an easy swap if future owners have different flooring preferences, saving them a headache of dealing with the stubborn tile or hardwood removal. So before you start tearing out floors left and right, think twice. A professional cleaning or a budget-friendly replacement might be all it takes to freshen up your space and entice potential buyers. Remember, keeping things simple is the key to making a lasting impression without breaking the bank. Number 3, don't replace the roof. Let's talk about the roof, arguably one of the most critical components of your home. Now, I'm not saying you should turn a blind eye to leaks or neglect necessary repairs. Far from it. Addressing any issues promptly is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your home. However, before you jump the gun and splurge on a full-blown roof replacement, pause and consider this. Is it truly necessary? Or are you doing it solely for your own satisfaction? You see, what you deem as the perfect roofing solution might not align with the preferences of potential buyers. Perhaps you opt for traditional shingles only for the next owners to covet the durability of metal or the timeless elegance of tile. Here's a savvy alternative. If your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan but still holding up, considering offering a credit towards a future replacement. This not only alleviates the immediate burden for you, but also allows the new owners to choose the roofing material that best suits their needs and tastes. In regions like Florida, where hurricanes pose a significant threat, the importance of a sturdy roof cannot be overstated. Not only does it provide crucial protection during severe weather, but it also plays a pivotal role in securing homeowners insurance. With recent events like Hurricane Ian prompting many homeowners in Cape Coral to replace their roofs, it's essential to assess how your roof stacks up against the competition and its impact on insurance costs. So before you commit to a costly roof replacement, let's weigh the options together. A thorough analysis of your home's condition and market dynamics will help determine the best course of action to maximize your return on investment. Number 4, don't fix beyond neighborhood value. The subtle nuances of neighborhood dynamics, they can make or break your home improvement decisions. Here's the deal. Before you embark on any extravagant upgrades, take a moment to gauge the vibe of your neighborhood. Is it a tile and carpet kind of place, or does Italian marble reign supreme? While indulging in lavish upgrades might seem like a surefire way to boost your home's value, the reality is a bit more nuanced. If your neighborhood is known for its modest tile and carpet combo, installing Italian marble might not yield the return on investment you're hoping for. Similarly, while your meticulously landscaped oasis might be a personal paradise, don't expect it to fetch top dollar if the rest of the block is rocking simple greenery. That's not to say you can't indulge in a little luxury, but to do so with caution. If these upgrades have been on your wish list for years and you've finally decided to treat yourself, by all means go for it. But if the primary goal is to boost resale value, it's essential to align your upgrades with the prevailing trends of your neighborhood. Ultimately, striking a balance between personal enjoyment and market appeal is key. So before you veer too far off the neighborhood norm, take a moment to consider the potential impact on your home's value. And number 5, don't do partial repairs. Let's wrap up with a crucial piece of advice. Avoid the temptation to tackle partial repairs when prepping your home for sale. Picture this scenario. Your bathroom is begging for a remodel with a few unsightly tiles marring its overall appeal. While it might be tempting to swap out those offending tiles, hold off, especially if the issues aren't causing significant water damage. Why, you ask? Well, here's the thing. Buyers are savvy. They can spot a Band-Aid solution from a mile away. By leaving these imperfections visible, you're actually setting the stage for a more transparent transaction. When your home is listed in the multiple listing service, potential buyers will know exactly what they're getting into. No surprises, no hidden flaws. It's all about setting the right expectations. If you opt for a partial repair, buyers might assume that it's indicative of the overall condition of the house. But by being upfront about any areas needing attention, you're not only building trust, but also setting the stage for a smoother negotiation process. In fact, identifying potential issues upfront can work in your favor. Buyers are often more willing to accept the credit and move forward with an offer, knowing that they have a clear understanding of the property's condition. So instead of masking problems with quick fixes, embrace transparency and let your home's true character shine through. Now that we've covered what not to do, let's focus on the winning strategies. Here are 5 must-dos to ensure your home shines like a diamond in the Cape Coral sun. Here are 5 essential steps to ensure your home dazzles potential buyers. And if you have a tip on what's worked for you to sell your house, write it in the comments below. First things first, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders both inside and out. Opt for neutral tones that appeal to a wide range of tastes and allow your home's natural beauty to shine through. Think soothing shades of light gray that serve as a blank canvas for any decor style. Next on the agenda, decluttering. Remember, less is more when it comes to showcasing your space. Channel your inner minimalist and create an atmosphere of spaciousness that invites buyers to envision themselves living there. Now let's talk depersonalization. Buyers want to see themselves in your home, not feel like they're intruding on someone else's personal space. So stow away those family photos and create a neutral backdrop that allows their imagination to run wild. Moving on to cleanliness, it's non-negotiable. A spotless home is not only welcoming, but also signals to buyers that the property has been well maintained. From gleaming countertops to squeaky clean floors, every surface should sparkle with pristine perfection. Last but certainly not least, don't overlook your landscaping. A well-maintained lawn and tidy garden can significantly enhance curb appeal, setting the stage for a positive first impression. So roll up your sleeves, trim those hedges, and add a fresh layer of mulch to give your outdoor space a polished finish. And there you have it, folks. 5 things you don't need to do and 5 things you absolutely should when preparing to sell your home. By following these tried and true strategies, you'll be well on your way to real estate success. I'm Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral real estate agent. If you'd like to know anything else about buying, selling, investing, or relocating here to Cape Coral, feel free to contact me. All my information is in the details below, and I can't wait to chat, making realty dreams a reality here in Cape Coral, Florida.